All right, y'all, so listen, let me show y'all my thrift haul. Me and baby girl went to a thrift store locally. Y'all know when I tell y'all that I love thrifting, but in this season of my life, I keep telling y'all, I practice what I preach. When I need help, I ask for help. So what I did was went thrifting, and this are the things that I need, because I need like a lot of winter clothes, and y'all know I love two-piece sets. I love anything that's matching, because that's less work that I have to think, because I like cute stuff. And so me and baby girl, we went to town. So I'm going to show y'all this. I'm going to try to show y'all as quick as possible. This is a little cute little sweater that she picked out. I got to wash all this stuff, so that's why I'm taking it out like that. This is a little, I said this could be like her little cute little, she can put some leggings on up under this and wear it as like a little dress. It's got a little hood to go to it. I mean, we racked up. We did really good. She found another shirt. This kind of stuff like this reminds me of the 90s, how I used to dress with my little collar and a little shirt. Y'all know me. I love my 90s attire. But anyway, and y'all, when I say we hit the jackpot, I found some of the cutest pieces. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on your thrift stores, because you can find some amazing things at the thrift store. And then, of course, I found this. It may not be a dress, but how about your girl is going to wear it as one? Because it's real long. So, this is what it looks like. Yeah, believe it or not, it's past my bedtime, but I was like, let me do this haul, because if I don't get to it today, when I start cleaning tomorrow and washing, I'm going to forget. And then I saw this cute little top, y'all. Look how cute. It looked like it's never been worn. And it's got like the little buttons down on it, like your arm is out. It's too stinking cute, you guys. Look at that. And I'm going to wear it with these color roll pants. I thought this was just, and we was just looking at a cute outfit like this in TJ Maxx the other day, and then lo and behold went to the thrift store, and it wasn't Goodwill. That's the thing, you got to try more than Goodwill, because a lot of times Goodwill prices don't be adding up. Them prices be looking like prices in Walmart and TJ Maxx. You might well go to TJ Maxx. These are some more Abercrombie and Fitch. My baby, she's in that stage where she loves different color jeans, so got that. She found her some more cute jeans, so got that. And then, of course, I found me a cute little skirt. Y'all know me and my skirts, honey. I put some tights or some leggings on up under this, honey. You can't tell me nothing. Then I saw this baby. Y'all know I love a cardigan. Put some leggings on and a cute little tee. This right here. Y'all will see how I style it. Especially if you follow me on TikTok. I'm probably going to start back doing my outfits every Friday, so you can see that you don't have to go broke trying to get some cute outfits. You better start hitting up boutiques and stuff, because, and this is coming. Then I found this cute little shirt. I wasn't going to get it at first, because I was like, I ain't got no white jeans. And then I thought about, I got some white like capris. I still wear white after September. I wear whatever I want, honey. But I thought this was so stinking cute. I can dress that up real cute. So got that. And this was all under, I think we spent like $131. Well, really, so this is how it went. I was in need of some winter clothes. And y'all know I told y'all I ask for help when I need help. Because, like I said, I just be paying bills and I really don't have a lot left over. So I reached out to, you know, like the little pantries or food banks or places where you can get help, and I got a voucher. I ain't ashamed. Sure ain't. And then I got this. These are some little cute little slacks that I can dress up or down. They look like they hadn't even been worn. And they from Loft. It's real cute. Real cute. And then It's so much stuff. And me and my baby girl like this shirt. This was super cute. She's like, Mama, me and you can wear this. I said, no, baby, you can have it. Because I know me. That material probably going to make me sweat a lot. And then she found this cute little shirt that she liked. I mean, it's just so many cute things. Whoo, Lord. I'm getting hot. Do y'all hear me? I'm telling you, I stay hot. Whoo, Lord. All right. Then she found this little cute little jacket. It was just all kind of cute stuff. Oh, my Lord. And then she found these. I told you she's into the different color pants, jeans, or whatever you want to call it. And then, of course, I found me another little, I think, tunic little shirt. You know, I always need those because I can wear those under my shirts and stuff. And then she found her another loft shirt, which is in great condition. Whew. I'm going to put these back. When I tell y'all I'm hot, oh, Lord, I'm finna lift this window up. Girl, when I say I'm hot, damn. Oh. That just worked up something in me. Like, damn. Whew. A few more pieces I'm gonna show y'all. And then I'm probably going to bed. And then she found this cute little shirt, which I think is real stinking cute. And she found just another little jacket. And this little shirt right here, which will go with her little her turquoise outfit. This and this. So I thought that was real cute. So we did good. We did really good. All this was under 150 bucks. You know, if you had to win in a regular store, oh, you was gonna be paying more than that. Plus we still have some money left over so we can come back and get some more stuff before the deadline. But don't sleep on y'all thrift stores. If you need some help, listen, put that pride down. Put that pride down and go and ask for what you need. You know the old saying, a closed mouth never gets fed? Your girl gonna open her mouth up. Cause I pray something change. I really do. I pray things get better. But that's it. That's my haul, y'all. Whoo, Lord. I want to tell y'all I'm hot. Whoo. Make me want to get out all my clothes. Okay. I'm going to see y'all on the next clip. Probably start deep cleaning in the kitchen so I can put out some Christmas decor. And here's this week's grocery haul. Some things I needed. So, and if y'all not drinking these probiotic dailies drinks, they are real good for your, to keep you regular. It's good for your reproductive system. It's good for just to make sure you're putting some good stuff inside of you. So I drink one a day, you guys. And just some things that I needed around the house, toiletries and some smell goods. Of course, I was going to have some smell goods, honey, whenever we do. All right, y'all. So I'm getting ready to cook. I just been craving Salisbury steak and gravy. So that's what I'm cooking today. And I'm going to finally fix this new recipe that I found off of TikTok. The banana pudding cheesecake with Biscoff cookies. I've been had it for a year, but every time I buy the cookies, I always end up eating the cookies. So I never would make it. So this time I promised myself I was going to make it. Because I actually wanted to make some of my some favorites of my son before he's leaving. Yes, my baby is leaving from the nest, y'all. By the time y'all read this, probably the next week, I'll probably be boo-hooing crying because my son is going to the Navy, you guys. So he's leaving mommy's nest. I'm sad and happy at the same time. I'm trying not to think about it because I know I'm going to break down, but anyway, I'm real proud of my son, but I wanted to fix some of his favorites before he leave off because this would be my first time without my son home with me on my birthday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that good stuff. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking. And yeah, y'all let me know what y'all having for Sunday dinner today. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I finally fixed dessert, homemade dessert, or quick and easy, however you want to call it, because I'm not really a dessert baker, cooker person. I could buy my desserts out the store and be Sara Lee cheesecake and be good, but I was like, you know what? I want to bake today. I want to do something eat, but quick. I don't want to be in the kitchen all day. I ain't doing no, all that stuff. But I wanted to do something, you guys, and I'm very proud of myself because this really turned out really good, you guys. My son didn't like it though. Me and my daughter, we loved it, but yeah, my son didn't. I don't think he liked the banana pudding, but anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this dinner. I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead of you guys. Let me know your thoughts on what happened this week.